Hi. In this video, we'll guide you through adding users in Lexzur. Users in Lexzur could be any member that will utilize the system, such as the legal team, accountants, administrators, and so on. Each user will have his own credentials so that he can easily log into the system. To add a new user, navigate to the settings icon in the main menu and select Add User. You'll need to input essential information, such as the user's first name, last name, and email. Additionally, assign the user to a specific group, such as administrator or accountant, and specify their seniority level, like partner, consultant, or lawyer. Choose the user's access type, which allow utilizing the core solution, the contra solution, or both. It's important to ensure the total number of purchased and used licenses for either core or contract within the instance. For example, if there are 10 licenses in total and 8 are currently in use, the system admin can add 2 more users. Once completed, you can save the user's details or include additional information, such as an ID, job title, mobile number, and address, though these fields are optional. Subsequently, manage users from the dedicated Manage Users page, where you can view, edit, ban, activate, deactivate, and override privacy settings for users. Additionally, you can flag users to change their password, which prompts them to set a new password upon their next login, revoke API keys, and view their permission list. New users will receive an email notification inviting them to the instance, where they can click the link provided to log in and set their password. For any further information, feel free to reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.